Well, thanks for visiting. These are our networking toolkits. We have a couple different models here. This one on the left-hand side has the crimp tool and the wire stripper. It also includes a bag of 10 RJ45 and 10 RJ11 mod plugs. So you can go ahead and get started on a small project if that's what you're doing. Now, the other one is a little, of course, costs a little bit more money, but it also includes a 110 punch down tool. The tool itself, it's actually pretty nice. You'll crimp the 8-position, 6-position mod plugs. You have your stripper, your cutter right there, and also the stripper itself. It's a very commonly sold stripper. You can make your adjustments right there with the screw as far as what size cable you're using, and it also has a cutter and a stripper on it as well. The punch down tool is actually has a 110 and it cuts and terminates whatever type of cable you're using. It's pretty good toolkit here for the price, and it also includes a bunch of mod plugs. If you got any questions, call us 888-797-3697.